Are your Bluetooth thermometer listings getting crushed by negative reviews? After shipping overseas, most bad feedback boils down to two issues: inaccurate and drifting temperature readings. Dead batteries after just a few days of use. Your SMT factory always blames faulty materials. That's not the real issue. It's simply that they lack professional experience in RF anti-interference and low power consumption craftsmanship. Here at Shenzhen NEWEI, we fix these root causes. We apply industrial-grade stable power supply technology and precision PSP SMT processes to every Bluetooth thermometer PCBA. Independent shielded sensor circuit wiring, separated from heat and signal interference areas to ensure stable temperature detection. High-precision thin-film capacitors, strictly controlled temperature drift for accurate readings in variable environments. Milliohm-level soldering impedance, ultra-low power leakage in sleep mode to greatly extend battery life. Stop letting bad reviews ruin your Amazon or eBay listing ranking. DM the keyword thermometer. Get the 6 common PCBA process defects and professional solutions for Bluetooth thermometers. Use them directly for factory inspection and quality verification.